I left the room with the echo low. One hand in my coat, one hand letting go. Corner store glow on a broken sign. A bus hissed past and I lost my time. Your name sat still in the back of my mind, like a half-spent change in my pocket line. Footsteps faded down the empty block. I kept on moving when the world stopped, and the windows all watched me go. With my face in the glass, I was all alone. Still I didn't look back. City lights and silence. City lights and silence pull me through the night. City lights and silence. City lights and silence. You were out of sight. Red hand, green hand, crossing slow steam from the drain by the grocery door. Two kids laughed by the arcade gate, then the alley went quiet like it knew to wait. I said your name to the open air. Nothing came back but a folding chair and the distant horn from the river road. So I kept that hurt in my heavy coat, and the windows all watched me go. With my face in the glass, I was all alone. Still I didn't look back. City lights and silence. City lights and silence pull me through the night. City lights and silence. City lights and silence. You were out of sight. Maybe I'm healing in this midnight pace. Maybe I'm learning how to hold my shape. Every block that fades, every shadow I pass takes a little more to hurt right back. City lights and silence. City lights and silence.